Hello everybody and welcome to this video. We're gonna be talking about Salesmate Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps for your agency that you're gonna install within your agency and connect to your Salesmate account and execute actions directly from the workflow for your Salesmate account. But let me show you how to set it up. At your agency view, you go at up to marketplace. You search for the app, you go at install, and here you select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. So let's select sub account one, continue. We go at allow install. You select whether it's the monthly plan or the yearly plan. You confirm. You go on complete installation. You open this new window where you have to copy the custom menu name. When it's done, you go on settings to create the custom menu link. If this is your first time to install one of our apps, remember that you have to create the custom menu link. So in order to do it, you just have to go at settings, and here you go on custom menu links, create new. You need to provide some information. For example, you have to select an icon for your custom menu link. Here you type a name for your custom menu link. When you're done, you come here, you paste the custom menu link that you copied from the app. Afterwards, you scroll down, you select an account. For example, you can select sub account one, where the custom menu link will be created. You scroll down, and here you can select whether it's the user or the admin who can access information of your custom menu link. And when you're done, you make sure you save. The next step right now is to switch to the sub account where you created the custom menu link in. Let's switch to the sub account one and we search for our custom menu link. We have here Greg. Actually, this is how we decided to name our custom menu link. So if you guys decided to name your custom menu link My Tools, make sure you have My Tools here. Okay. So, like I said, this is a one-time action. Once you have your custom menu link created, you won't have to do it again when installing the other app. So let's go on Greg app. We have apps available and connected app. For you guys doing this process for the first time, Salesmate is going to be available here. Okay. Salesmate is going to pop up here, but it doesn't pop up because it's already connected. So let's go and connect the apps. We have Salesmate. So how do we connect the tool to your Salesmate account? So we just have to go on setup and you have some information required like the token and the link name. Okay. Before we go any further though, you can read here how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it's going to lead you on some smart cues that are going to guide you how to get all those keys. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Salesmate account. We go on Salesmate. How do we get those information? We come here. We go on Setup. At the left here, we have Automation. We go on Salesmate API, and we come here at your API keys. We go on Click here, and we have all the information required. We have the token, copy, paste the link name. We come here to copy the link name, plugin sets made, we switch back, paste, and we submit. Perfect. Now the tool is already connected to your Salesmate account. So you guys are able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Salesmate account. This is very amazing, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 7 to answer to all your inquiries. Thank you for watching the video, guys.